For today's family art challenge, I wanted to show you this book. I got this when I was a kid and for my birthday, and it's marbelized paper, which I always thought was really, really cool. And then recently somebody showed me a recipe how to make it, so I thought we could try it. Here's what you need to do. Put some tin foil on a cookie sheet. Take some cheap shaving cream. Don't use anything expensive on this. And you're going to put some in the middle. You don't need a lot. And I use a knife to kind of smooth it out, just so it's kind of like icing a cake, but don't eat it. It's very disgusting. I accidentally licked my finger one time and it was really gross. Then we take some food coloring, which most people have a little bit of in your house. It doesn't matter what color. And we're going to put some dots. Dot, 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 dot. And then I have some red and some purple. Dot, dot, dot. Some green. And some blue. And then I'm going to use just anything that I have around to swirl some swirls in it. Not too deep, just keep it really simple. All through. Then I take a piece of paper and we set the paper on it, but not hard. Don't squish it, okay? Because if you squish it, then it makes the paper mushy and it makes it blurry. So I'm just going to set this right on here and just press a little bit just to make sure that the paper touches it, but see, I'm not squishing. Then when it comes up, it's all covered in the shaving cream. So I use any old thing to scrape it off, and then look at that. Just let it dry a little bit, and you can use it for cards or to make make beautiful gift wrapping paper, bookmarks, whatever you want. But it is truly beautiful, and the colors are so bright. And if you wouldn't mind, take a picture of it and send it to studionewrichmond@gmail.com, and then you're going to get to see it on the show.